Morning, boys and girls. It's a nice, crisp 7-degree morning here in Mercer, Pennsylvania. I'm gonna do a cold start on the old Jeep right here. I upgraded it to a anti-gravity battery. Show you guys that here in a second. You know it's cold when the snow's crunching underneath your feet. Bear with me. All right, here we go. So it's the size of a motorcycle battery. As you can see, 900 cranking amps. So I just shoved that down in the battery tray, clamped it in. Seems to be holding tight. This old girl's ether trained, so we gotta give her a squirt. Especially when it's this cold if you don't have the block heater on. Just shove that right back in there. That, and we'll give her a few pumps on the old hand pump. Just pump it until firm. Shove the old broom pole back somewhere that's not going to get eaten by the fan. The glow plugs don't work right now. I've got a set, but I haven't put them in yet, so let's see what happens. But just to prove how good this battery is, let's see. All right, it appears that we hit a safety on the battery. It's got a battery management system, so give me a minute and I'll come back to you. All right, I'm back. I had to reset the BMS on the battery. We'll give it another shot. I gave it a little bit more ether and pumped it up again, and we'll see what happens now. Oh yeah, this thing does the best cold starts. Now, if you don't find that impressive from that little tiny battery, I don't know what is. I don't know what's gonna take to impress you. We're gonna see how long this battery holds up. It's a $500 battery, so I hope it lasts me at least 5 years, but we'll see. Have a great day, everyone.